Hi, my name is Grady Goodman. This is my wife, Amy. We recently had PrimeCustom renovate our kitchen and our main floor, and we couldn't be as happy as we are with the results.
Yeah, we bought the house about 8 years ago, and once we moved in, I wanted to do a reno immediately, but because we had like the original cabinets, the flooring was mismatched, we had laminate counters, but we waited, and then once we finally decided that we were ready to do the reno, we found actually PrimeCustom. We found them in the home magazine. So we reached out to them, they came out and did the quote. We also received other quotes, but we just seemed to think that Camille was the best option. And because he came out and we talked to him and we really liked what he had to say. And the prices were competitive, so we decided to go with PrimeCustom. So once we decided to go with PrimeCustom, we met at their showroom. We met with Camille and Quinette, the designer, who helped us design the layout of the cabinets, the counters, the backsplash, and all the fixtures. And so once we got to the point where we were ready to proceed, the contractor showed up, they demoed quickly, like in 2 days, and then they started the process of the renovation. And I have to say that the contractors that came in, we had all kinds of contractors. We had the painters, the electricians, the hardwood floor guys. They were all wonderful. They were friendly, professional, and what surprised me the most and what impressed me the most was at the end of each day, they ensured that all the space was cleaned before they would leave. And for me, that really made a very good impression. And it was important to me that I could still live here during the renovation. And since the renovation happened during COVID-19, we were a little concerned, but the contractors, everyone that came in took the necessary precautions to ensure that we were safe and that they were safe wearing their masks. So the renovation actually took about 8 weeks. It actually ended on schedule and within budget, except for a few of the changes that we decided to make along the way. And they were very flexible, and we couldn't be happier with the results. And in the end, we actually were able to completely renovate our kitchen. They replaced the main floors on our entire main level. They did the paint on the main level, and the biggest thing is they actually took our old stairs, pulled the carpet off, put hardwoods on, replaced the rails, and it really made a big difference in the way our house looks, especially as you enter into the house. And they also did our little powder room and added some design features that they suggested and I think look wonderful. So again, we can't recommend them enough, and we hope that you give them a chance because they are wonderful, and we definitely recommend them for any of your home remodeling needs.